Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the yarn winder so the process runs smoothly. Thread the yarn through the designated guide, clip the tail to the spool, and set tension to medium. This prevents slippage yet allows even layering. Once loaded, engage the brake lightly and choose the loop size or peg spacing that matches your project. Do this now, don't delay, because correct initial tension and guide selection determine loop uniformity and avoid jams later. You'll continue by starting the winder at low speed and making a small test loop of 10 to 20 turns to verify spacing. Watch how the yarn lays. If loops pile tight, reduce tension or widen the guide angle, and if gaps appear, tighten slightly. Once consistent, increase speed gradually, check alignment, and keep an eye on the spool build. Make small adjustments as you go, because incremental corrections prevent large errors, and ensure you finish by securing the final loop with a knot or clip, trimming the tail cleanly, and releasing the brake slowly so the spool settles evenly. Once done, store the wound loops flat to preserve shape. If something goes wrong, uneven build, or sudden tension spikes, stop immediately, reverse a few turns, inspect the guide and flyer for wear, rebalance the spool, and restart at low speed. This quick troubleshoot step usually fixes jams and prevents damage to threads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.